Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp and reinstall it again without losing any data. So the trick is having a backup of your chats. For that, head over to your WhatsApp and get logged into your account. Select three dot icon, go for settings. In here locate chats and you will see chat backup. Tap it and select backup. Once the backup has been completed, it will give you a notification. Wait for this to load and make sure this is completed till here. It might take a couple minutes or hours depending upon the amount of data that you have. Now, once it says it has been completed, you may go ahead and delete it. To delete this, you may go ahead, launch your Play Store, and then search for WhatsApp. Now here, you will see Uninstall. Go ahead, tap on Uninstall. Now this is how you delete it. If you would like to install it again, the process is the same. Head over to your Play Store again, and it will say Install. Likewise, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.